Welcome to Learn with T, where you can learn with me. I got a really quick one today. I just want to show you guys something I learned. So, as you can see here, we're working on an edit on one of my old videos here. Now, my thing is, I was trying to drag down one of, this is an imported video. As you can see, this is a footage file, but there's no audio, where you can see I'm looking for the swoosh, I'm looking for my audio over here, and you can see that drag video only, drag audio only. If you're new, you might not have learned this yet. I just learned it. So the problem is, down here in the bottom left, these little blue highlights, those are telling the system what you're trying to edit. So I am telling it that I want to edit here, but I'm not selecting anything on the left side. So I don't know exactly what that means, but I want to make sure that's selected. And now, when I drag this down, you can see that it brings the audio file here. A little bit more customization. Let's say you want to drop that audio file even lower. I can drag it and it'll drop the audio down a whole nother bar. I don't know the exact term, a track. So that's it. I don't know if this is going to be a minute or less, but thank you guys. Hope that helps someone out there.